Hi everyone, my name is Advocate Rahul Kumar Singh. We'll be discussing about the writ of habeas corpus. First task of internship will be on the writ of habeas corpus. Internship in the sense you will be able to learn the thing about what the writ is habeas corpus about. Habeas corpus is a what? Is a action. What action is to be taken? Legal action is to be taken to challenge the legality of a detention. Means whether the police has detained a person, that detention is legal or illegal. Legal when it is following the law, illegal when it is not following the law. Okay, and if it is illegal, we need to secure the release of a person, as because no person can be arrested illegally. So habeas corpus gives the right to the person who is detained illegally can approach the courts. Which court? Supreme Court under Article 32 and High Court under Article 226. So basically, habeas corpus is protecting the individuals from getting arrested. Arrested person has a right under habeas corpus. Arbitrary detention is not allowed. Arbitrary means any actions which is against the law, against the authority, against the legal actions which can be taken. So that all is arbitrary action. Okay, and everything can be done as per the due process of law. So you have to follow law even if you are arresting a person. Then what is the purpose of habeas corpus? Habeas corpus is to bring the detained individual before a court. Why we are bringing a detained individual before a court? We should ask to yourself. We are bringing as because the arrest is illegal. We cannot arrest a person illegally. We have to present before a magistrate. We have to give arrest memo. We have to explain to the person who is arrested why the person is arrested. So all these things is a procedure. We cannot just bring a person and put everyone in jail. That is not allowed. So when you are not following the law, then the purpose is to bring the detainment before the court. If the court finds the detention is illegal or not required, the court will grant the person bail. So this is the purpose of this habeas corpus. Next concept is the legal scrutiny. Court examines the legality. Means whether this arrest is required or no. If the court finds that no, arrest is not required, the person can be set free by the court. So when the arrest is done unlawfully, then the person is released. Okay, this is known as legal scrutiny. So court is examining the arrest. So this is a very important concept of legal scrutiny. Okay, what are the examples of you can say unlawful detention? So persons can be arrested without proper cause. Suppose the cause is something that is something which in that you cannot arrest a person. For example, if the person says that you are roaming at midnight in the road, so I'll arrest. So that is not a cause. Cause is that whether the person has violated any law or the person is doing anything which the law has not authorized the person to do. So in these all cases you can arrest. So cause can be proper, cause can be appropriate. If the cause is not proper, if the cause is not appropriate, you cannot arrest the person. So these things must be clear first of all. So proper cause must be there. The law should authorize the arrest. If it is unauthorized, then the arrest will be illegal. Okay, and the person must be produced before the magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest. This is the important criteria. Arrested person or his family must be informed why the person is arrested. Anything confiscated must be written down, and seizure list must be submitted to the court. All these are procedure. If it is not maintained, then the arrest will be termed as illegal, as because persons cannot be arrested without any reason. Okay, so we everything whatever is we are doing, that must be as per the law, as because without the law the person cannot be arrested, as because if it is allowed, then the person can face in problem. Now what is the importance of this habeas corpus writ? It is taking the government power. Government cannot make any law which is arbitrary or which is taking the citizens' rights. So it is limiting the government power. It is ensuring that anybody cannot be deprived of the liberty. If you are taking the liberty, you can take, but you should follow the law. Okay, so it is putting check on the government. Okay, under Indian Constitution, by taking help of which articles you can go before the courts? You can go to the Supreme Court if your habeas corpus is you want to claim habeas corpus under Article 32 when the rights of you are getting violated under Article 32, and you can go to the High Court to claim habeas corpus under Article 226. It has certain historical significance also. Okay, this habeas corpus risk come from the Magna Carta. in the year 2015. So from this Magna Carta of 2015, this habeas corpus concept is taken. Okay, and it is also considered as the cornerstone of the personal liberty. So it is protecting the personal liberty of the citizens. So this is very important writs. Okay, and this habeas corpus is part of fundamental rights, as because liberty cannot be taken without any cause. Certain cause must be there. Okay, so habeas corpus is basically protecting the citizens' rights. In the description box, you can see the link. Different types of groups are there, which we help the students in the name of LawWallah class to provide affordable student education to students. You can take help of that, and you can share the videos with the needy, and help me by liking and subscribing. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.